Hi, I'm Ludwig, and today I'm going to smash a refrigerator with the baseball bat. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with the baseball bat. Now my parents can't see any with the refrigerator anymore. Wait. What is that? Ludwig, did you smash the refrigerator with the baseball bat? Tell us the truth right now, or else there will be consequences. Okay. You caught me. Yes, I smashed the refrigerator with the baseball bat, so you guys won't see it anymore. What? Ludwig! Yes, I cannot believe it that we cannot believe that you smashed the refrigerator. Now they can't open it to get the foods, the vegetables, and more because of you. That's it. You are grounded for a week. Go upstairs to your room right now. And think about what you have done. Wow.